New generation compact car surpasses its class by offering driving pleasure, the world's highest level of efficiency, and advanced security and safety technology. Toyota's new model Yaris make world premiere. First use of the TNGA, Toyota New Generation Architecture platform for compact cars, a body that is light yet highly rigid and has a low center of gravity. Adopts the latest powertrain including 1.5-liter inline 3-cylinder dynamic force engine based on the TNGA design philosophy. The engine possesses both driving performance and the world's highest level of fuel efficiency for a hybrid vehicle. In addition to the pleasure of driving, Toyota is also offering E4 or electric 4-wheel drive system for the first time on a compact car. The condensed clutter-free cabin and compact form that extend from the center of the body to the front and rear wheels express an active dynamic design that appears ready to take off at a moment's notice. Advanced Park, Toyota Advanced Parking Support System, a first on a Toyota vehicle, and the latest Toyota Safety Sense, which now detects oncoming car, a first on a Toyota vehicle, when turning right at the intersection and pedestrian crossing the street when turning right or left are standard. Enhanced comfort and convenience features include turn tilt seats, a first on a Toyota vehicle, which facilitate entering and exiting the vehicle, and display audio standard on all models, which can connect with a smartphone, and accessory power outlet is available for hybrid version in Japan. Toyota City Japan, October 16, 2019, Toyota Motor Corporation unveiled the new model Yaris to the world. The new Yaris is scheduled to go on sale in Japan starting in mid-February 2020. It will be exhibited at Venus Fort in Odaiba, Tokyo during the Tokyo Motor Show 2019. The new Yaris will also be displayed in showrooms throughout Japan from the end of October. The first generation Yaris was created in 1999 as a car that would serve as a global standard for compact car by enlisting the full portfolio of Toyota's technological powers. Toyota redesigned the platform and all major components, including the engine, transmission, and suspension, to achieve generous cabin space and outstanding basic performance in a minimum size. The new Yaris has been developed in pursuit of new values sought in next-generation compact cars. The new Yaris is new generation compact car that adopts the TNGA platform on which Toyota will base its compact car for developed countries in the future, and features components built entirely from the ground up, including the engine, hybrid system, transmission, and suspension. In addition to the light yet highly rigid body and low center of gravity, the Yaris is offered with 4 different powertrains and delivery agility, superior comfort, and smooth and direct acceleration. They are the newly developed 1.5-liter inline 3-cylinder dynamic force engine and direct shift CVT, 2. The 1.5-liter dynamic force engine with new generation hybrid system, 3. The 1.5-liter dynamic force engine with 6-speed manual, and the 4th one, an improved 1-liter engine with a compact and lightweight CVT. Drivers will be able to experience the pleasure of brisk ride. In addition to pursuing Toyota's ongoing goal of developing the world's highest level of fuel efficiency for a hybrid vehicle, the new Yaris is offered with E4, electric 4-wheel drive system, a first for a Toyota compact car. Toyota is among the first to adopt an array of advanced features that save the common hierarchy based on car size, such as Advanced Park, Toyota Advanced Parking Support System, a first for a Toyota vehicle, the latest Toyota Safety Sense, which has been expanded to detect oncoming cars when turning right at an intersection and pedestrian crossing the street when turning right or left, turn tilt seats, equipped by Toyota for the first time, which facilitate entering and exiting the vehicle, and the display audio is standard on all models, which can connect with the smartphones, An accessory power outlet, 1500 watt, is available for the hybrid version of the car. With the accessory, electricity from the vehicle can be used to power electrical devices and appliances using the same type of electrical outlet found at home. Additionally, the vehicle can serve as an emergency power generator in cases such as blackout. Chief Engineer Yoshinori, in charge of the development of the new Yaris, explained, "This makes the 20th year since the first Yaris debut. So we wanted to build a new generation compact car that goes far beyond customers' preconceptions about class by building on the strength and the Yaris as compact car while revamping the platform, powertrain, and all other components. Compact cars are driven by many people, so offering a pleasurable driving was a priority, but it also prompted us to use the Yaris as the starting point of cars with the world's highest level of fuel efficiency and security and safety technology."